All right, this is in response to Tammy Tedesco's post about not being able to cross her leg. It's not that you got great range of motion, -1 on extension and 120 degrees of flexion. So a lot of times it's not just the knee that limits getting up here, it's the hip. So a lot of times I'll have people, we'll say my right knee was the replacement. Take your left knee and straighten it out, cross your foot over your shin on the left, and then either grab your pant leg and slide up, or you can put a towel around your ankle and slide up like that. Once you get it above your knee, and that's okay, then you start to bring your left knee or left heel back so it brings your left knee up. And then you should be able to get to the point where that is relatively comfortable. Several other hip stretches to do, but that's an easy one to do at home. So let me know what you think about that. Thanks.